Hello everyone, welcome to the Nick Tech Show, and today I'm going to take a look at a dash cam for you guys from Denicer. They're nice enough to send this out to me. I have done dash cam reviews and unboxings before, one from Papago and one from Congrove, I think. So Denicer was nice enough to send this out for me. This is a 1296p dash cam that is a little bit different from your dash cam. Typically the dash cams that a lot of people see are actually hung up from the windshield. This one actually sits on the dash itself. So that is kind of interesting. This is their D100D. So on the back of the box, so in the front of the box you do have like what the product looks like. On the back of the box you do have the specifications of the product. So, and one thing that is unique about this camera is they actually give you a camera that you put in the back of your vehicle, so it can record the back of your vehicle just in case someone rear ends you or something. So yeah, let's get started looking at what's inside this box. And then I did read up online that they say for some reason they don't recommend SanDisk SD cards for some reason. I don't really understand that, but they say that for some reason they've been having trouble. So the first box we have is going to be this box, and I'm thinking it is going to be an accessory box. So this does have motion sensor, and that's also going to be where your G sensor is, where it senses the pressure. So how the G sensor work is basically if you get into an accident, it's going to censor that you stopped abruptly real fast, and that's what's going to kick the G sensor off and start recording where you're going to have it. So I'm going to take this off of the screen. So that's a very tiny screen, not really a fan of that, but it is what it is. On the side you do get a power button, menu button, and then don't really know what that icon does. This is going to be your mini USB port, a mini HDMI, so you plug a mini HDMI cable in and that goes into regular HDMI, then you can display it on your TV. The mic, it is going to record audio. And then on this side, we have a reset button, a SD card, your AV port, slash GPS port, and then more navigation buttons up and down and OK. So overall, it does have basic navigation like all dash cams do. Let's see if I can get this slitter off. I can. Okay. I'm actually going to power it on to see. So it does power on, as you can see. So it does give you a live preview. I'm very interested to see how the quality is going to be because 1296p is kind of an odd resolution. So that is going to be interesting to see how good that records. But overall, it does seem like a pretty nice camera. But yeah, if you're interested in picking this camera up, this is about a $20, not $20. It is actually like a $47 camera that you can get, that you can pick up. And I will do a review. I might actually throw some video clips from the camera into this video, maybe. Don't really know, but of course, if I do a review, I will have the videos in there.
You feel the rhythm and you're getting inspired. You feel the speaker pumping, people jumping higher. Give me the mic now, I'm on fire. Burn it up, I make it perspire. Girl, you're popping like oil in the fryer. Got me spinning like clothes in the dryer. Give me the mic now, I'm on fire. I rip the lyric up and lift the crowd higher. Girl, you're looking like you'll never get tired. Yeah, you're whipping it so inspired. Give me the mic now, I'm on fire. I wanna rip it up and make it perspire. You feel the rhythm and you're getting inspired. You feel the speaker pumping, people chickadee on the wire. Here is the question I wish to inquire. This mamacita that I really wanna meet. When I see her on the street, I feel my knees getting weaker. Sweet señorita, la Dolce Vita. Wanna be with you, but I can see that you'll be on my reach. I'm on the precipice, I got a hella wish. If you say yes to this, you're gonna see me doing flips. I'm burning up with desire. You turn it up to 11, then a couple more higher. Chickadee, chickadee, chickadee in the treetop. Give me a neck, sorry she feeling my sweet top. Girl, you're popping like oil in the fryer. Got me spinning like clothes in the dryer. Give me the mic now, I'm on fire. I rip the lyric up and lift the crowd higher. You feel the rhythm and you're getting inspired. You feel the speaker pumping, people jumping higher. Give me the mic now, I'm on fire. Burn it up, I'll make a fire.
You're gonna set me on fire. You're gonna set me on fire, baby. On fire, retire. You got me burning up with desire. Flames in your eyes are growing higher. It's looking like tonight I'm your fire. So burn it up, set me on fire.
No complication, just conversation. We're just a little bit of innocent flirtation. Why are you racing? Come on, be patient. Give us some time to assess the situation. No competition, it's over and done. Before you walk into the room, we knew who already won. Woo, boom, just like that. It's like I got hit on my head with a baseball bat. With that so fast, staring down that nice round. Ask me if I wanna get with that, and I can tell you yes, it's a definite fact. You're turning up my thermostat. Excuse my repetition, but you have no competition. You're like a vision, floor light from a prison. Feeling the roll with golden hues. What can I do? Cause I never wanna lose ya. You feel the rhythm and you're getting inspired. You feel the speaker pumping, people jumping higher. Give me the mic now, I'm on fire. Burn it up, I'll make a fire. Girl, you're popping like oil in the fryer. Got me spinning like clothes in the dryer. Give me the mic now, I'm on fire. I rip the lyric up and lift the crowd higher. Girl, you're looking like you'll never get tired. Yeah, you're whipping it so inspired. Give me the mic now, I'm on fire. I wanna rip it up and make it perspire. You feel the rhythm and you're getting inspired. You feel the speaker pumping, people jumping higher. Give me the mic now.
Hey guys, if you are interested in seeing more videos before they are released on YouTube, check out my Facebook page where we upload our videos there before they go up on YouTube. So if you want to see the latest and greatest from the computer group, then give us a like on Facebook